Mentora is a group-based platform for mentorship and knowledge monetization. In our application, we can connect with expert mentors worldwide through collaborative video sessions where mentees pay less and mentors earn more, making high-quality education accessible to everyone, everywhere. This is the main application where we can register as mentors and anyone can create group sessions. The first step is to connect our MetaMask wallet. The application was created on top of Arbitrum Cephalonia, and for the moment we are using a stable token such as MXNV for payments. As we can see in this example, the owner's account is the deployer of the smart contracts, and we are also using other accounts for the mentors and the mentees. First, we are going to use a participant's account and visit the sessions dashboard. In this dashboard, we can create sessions, browse open sessions, and check the participants' sessions. Also, in this section, we can filter the sessions as participant or the sessions created by this account. First, let's create a new session. In this case, we need a valid mentor address, set the maximum number of participants, and the amount to pay for this session. After approving the tokens for the payments, we have created a new session. In the dashboard, we can observe the new sessions and confirm that the creator is also part of this group. If we want to retrieve the information about a session, we can go to the section Session Details. In this section, we can confirm that the creator is also a participant of the session. In this dashboard, we can also abandon the session and recover the deposit if we are a participant. Before starting, we need that the mentor accepts this section. Let's switch to the mentor's wallet and accept the session. Now we can attend this video session. In the backend, a new session token is generated and we can join the live meeting. There you go. Let's share the screen to validate that we entered the session successfully. In summary, our platform introduces group mentoring sessions with dynamic pricing that creates a win-win scenario. Mentees pay significantly less, while mentors earn substantially more by scaling their time across multiple participants. Thank you.